log into your back office from myoffice.neolife.com. This is a tutorial on how to find and then edit your shopneolife.com URL as well as your website. So you can get there a couple different ways. First of all, you have to log into your back office, and then you can come here to manage my website, is probably one of the simplest ways. You can also navigate to your website URL page from the account menu at the top of the page right here. So here on the Manage My Website page, you're going to see your Shop Neolife URL listed here. And so this is where you can also change it to something whatever you want. So this is a test website. So it's just a funny test name. And if you want to change that, just go ahead and save changes. You can also edit your display name. So maybe we want to say test 6 is our display name. You can enter a phone number as well as email and location. So maybe you're in Fremont, California. And then make sure you always save changes once you make updates like this. And it's going to let you know that your information has been updated. You can also decide if you want to have a default, if you want to use the default message or create a custom message here for people that come and look at your About Me page on your website. You need to follow the claims guidance. Just be sure to look that over and not make any product or income claims. You can also upload a photo from here. Click Change Your Photo. This will also be your back office avatar. So click Upload, and then you can search your files, or you can just drag and drop an image, open it up, and then you can resize it here and save changes. So now we can go back into Manage My Website to see some of the other cool features. If we scroll down a little bit on this page, we'll then see some other cool features on the site, like featured products. So we can see the example if we click this link right here, and it'll show that the featured products section of the website, you can actually customize what products show up. So the default is health packs. You can uncheck that, and you can actually select any 4 products that you want to have on the page, or you can just decide to keep the default, and you can also add a second row of products. So if you click Make Edit and Selections, you can choose any of your favorite products, say CoQ10, Tray, Acidophilus, the Detox, and then you can then accept selections and make sure you come down here and save changes. These product images will populate in just a second. So you can also show business kits on your homepage, so save changes again. And then over here you can add any of your social network names. If you just go to like your Facebook page and then look at your URL on your Facebook page, you'll see what your username is, and then it'll populate here and save changes. So you'll have a quick link to any of your social media for your customers that come to your site. So now to check out our site, we can just copy this link right here. This is our shopneolife.com website. We'll open up a new window and just paste that in. And so here we see the changes that we've made to the site. So the profile image here, our name. We didn't add a phone number, so that's not going to be there. But then our customers can come straight to this page and also see these featured products that we've listed, as well as business kits. If you go to the About page, the About tab, and then go Contact Me, that's also where you're going to see the main changes that you make, maybe to your description here. We just kept the default one, and then you'll also have your image and your ID, phone number, location, you name it. Thanks for watching.